Well, since summer is here, we thought we would take a look at some convertibles on our next few reviews. This is the brand new Lexus LC500. We first saw it at the LA Auto Show, and the launch of the vehicle for journalists was cancelled due to COVID-19. But that doesn't mean that Lexus couldn't ship this pre-production vehicle to me so I could tell you all about it. The LC500 design looks very much like the coupe. In fact, they wanted it to be as close to the coupe as possible. It has the spindle-shaped grille up front, you recognize from Lexus, nice grey plastic inserts around the light, and a smooth hood which goes all the way back. It seems long and drawn out. This vehicle has some design elements at the back, like the rear trunk lid. It's accented with a kick-up design that lifts the profile slightly. The center brake light is now integrated into the trunk. The roof materials itself were carefully selected for optimal tension on the roof and minimizing wrinkles and improving sound isolation. This comes in 9 different colors, and the Select Edition is limited only to 100 units and will be offered in the structural blue with a white semi-aniline leather interior trim. Now, the Lexus LC500 comes with Lexus Safety System Plus, and that gives you things like pre-collision system, also pedestrian detection, lane departure alert, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control with the intelligent high beams. It also comes with the same things as the coupe. There are important safety features specific to the convertible through such things as the active roll bars. At the back of the LC500 convertible, of course, there has to be a roll cage, so they have deployable roll bars in the back here under this piece of plastic, which in the case of an accident will shoot up to protect the occupants' heads in the vehicle. What's under the hood of the Lexus LC500 convertible? Well, this is a 471 horsepower 5-litre V8, putting out 398 pounds-feet of torque. Front engine, rear wheel drive, and it has that seamless direct shift automatic transmission with 10 speeds. What does it sound like on a cold start? I can really notice when driving this vehicle a change in the structural rigidity from the coupe version. This definitely has a driver's performance handling, even sharper, more refined in the performance, and really I like it better than the coupe, I have to say. Some suspension for the convertible has been changed quite a bit, including the suspension braces are now made out of aluminum, so you can really tell that, especially when you take off from standing, like you sit at an intersection here and you want to come out of the corner and you do this. You can really feel this sort of tightness of the vehicle. As the LC500 convertible drifts into showrooms, there are 2 possible packages you can get for it. A touring package at $5,290 and the Inspiration series, which gives you exclusive colors and quite a few extras for $18,800. Whichever it is, you'll be very exclusive while driving this new piece of inspirational hardware. I'm Nik Miles.